Hello, everybody. Thanks for coming. My name is Luc Blackburn. I'm the co-founder of Octav. So Octav is a portfolio intelligence for digital assets. We are pretty much a data provider for financial data that is used for asset manager. So Octav is solving a bit of like problem we have with the DeFi information, DeFi data. So basically, the data is like all over the place. So we support up to 50 protocols. So you can get this information from the API, for example. If you guys try to index all this information by yourself, it's really really hard and costly. So that's why we provide this information. Also, you can get all the information into the same place, so it's very good for the visibility. And tracking all these complex protocol position can be really painful, so we solve all this information, all this problematic. The beauty of like Octave is like you can get data really fast, so through the API or through our application. We can also solve like complex problem with protocols. So people come to us and have like protocol position which are not covered by anybody else, and we can actually solve this problematic and give you this data. Octave is like pretty much two projects. The first one, as I said, is the application. So we are like a dashboard for asset manager. So based on our data through the API you can get, we actually build like a beautiful solution in which we provide a lot of tooling for asset manager to be able to solve their problems. So you can do daily report, you can do labeling, categorization of your transaction. You can build. We released a new dashboard like last week, this week, in which you can create multiple dashboard, and there is like a widget marketplace, so you can actually play with the widgets and have like the dashboard that responds to your problematic. The beauty of it is like you could also build your own widget, and we could add it into the platform. And this is one of the actual prizes that we ask you to do this week. I'm going to give you more information in the next further away in the presentation. So the beauty of the Octav API is you don't like the front end, you can actually build what you want with it. So we provided the raw data at the API level. So pretty much you can access wallet data. So if you need like a balance into a different chain, you can actually have this with us. We provide a bunch of information about the network on all the chain we cover for protocol position. For example, Aave, Curve. We also support Lecter, Hyper Liquid, Hyper EVM, and stuff like that. So we provide this in one single call. You can also ask for one specific chain, but you can also have the data in one specific call, so all the chain in one call. We do enrichment of transactions, so we don't only provide the raw data for the transaction, we also provide an extra layer over it, meaning that we're going to give you the protocol in which you are interacting with the transaction, if we know it. We're going to give you all the asset, the balance, and the prices associated to that. It's the same thing with the protocol position. You not only have the asset, but you also have like the value associated to the protocol position. We support over 50 chains, and also we are indexing about 17 chain for the transaction. We support most of the EVM, pretty much 90% of the TLV, or maybe even 95% of it. We also support Solana for the transaction and also for the portfolio, and Startnet. You can get information from Startnet also. The first prizes, the first challenge we offer you is to build in our ecosystem of the application, the pro version of Octav. So your goal is to build a widget in which you can use our own API. We can also bring any information from an external ecosystem. We like DeFi Llama. We can provide you with an API of DeFi Llama. So you want to bring TLV of chain, or any asset manager that would like to use DeFi Llama as like another source of information to take better decision, you can actually build a widget that do that. We are open to any kind of widget. It can be a social one if you want to bring forecaster, gaming, AI agent. It's really up to your imagination. So we have like a widget marketplace. So when you build the dashboard, you can actually go into the marketplace and select the widget you want to put into your dashboard. Some of them are free, built by us. If you build one of them, you want to sell it, we can actually do that also and give you a kickback on that. So we want to an open ecosystem in which not only the client can build their own widget, but also external people participate into it, because we think people can come up with great idea and we can use that in our dashboard. The other price category is like the best application. So it's for you guys to not build a budget, but use the API himself. Whether you need a protocol position, wallet, and transaction, like I said, you can build anything with it. You can mix our API with your solution and other partners that are here today in the hackathon. So it's really up to you to come up with like a great application. And this is the price you can win. It can be AI agent, it can be risk analytic. We give you some of the possible idea that you can use to build something really cool. How to get started? So basically, it's super simple. We ask you guys to go to get an API. So you go to Octav API, you get an API, you come to us at the booth. We're gonna give you some credits, and after that, we you can clone the starter template. So we actually build a template so you don't start from scratch. You put the API into the template, and you're pretty much up to running to get information from the API. And also you can go to explore the documentation. We provide all the endpoints, all the data type. And as I said, if you have more questions, you can come see us at the booth. We're going to be really pleased to help you. So we have a partner, which is DeFi. So we work with DeFi a lot on the platform. We use them for like the price feed. One of our provider for that, and they were really kind to be able to give us an API key for you guys, that if you want to use DeFi to build your solution, we can provide you with a free API key for the weekend, so you get access to all the DeFi cool data, and there is a lot of them. So you have the QR code on this page. So the first one gets you access to get your keys pretty quickly. The last one is the starter template, and the middle one is the API documentation. So you can take the picture and go there. And that's pretty much it. So does anybody have any question? Yes, right there. Jack has a question. It's going to give you a mic for that.
Do you have any like instructions in terms of like building widgets, or are we sort of working from the template UI to?
I mean, the template is really to bootstrap you. It's not a widget itself. It's like a TypeScript React application. We use Shadcn, so you have some of the thing in this thing. But if you build a widget, there is no like a guideline about it. It's just you build it as you want.
And is there any kind of constraints in terms of like code language or?
No, it's up to you. I mean, the goal is to come you with a great idea. As I said, we use Shadcn, so I will maybe encourage you to use this. But we don't have like templates specifically for the widget. It's really like the idea behind it, and we can actually after that implement it in our language to be able to put it into our ecosystem.
Fantastic, thank you.
Any other question? All right. Thank you, guys. Good luck.